Yeah. I'm using his box. I'm using his box to sleep. This is Bundle. What are you doing? I'm using this box to sleep. Is it comfy, Unicorn? It looks comfy for Dundle, and it will be comfy for me too.
It looks cute. It looks cute.
You like it, Unicorn? On the box, in a box like this?